Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Radhika and today we are going to solve a very classic problem of stacks, that is balance the parenthesis. So let's get into the video. So let me first quickly explain to you what this problem is. So in this problem, our input will be a string of brackets that is like this, something like this, and what we have to return is that this parenthesis string is balanced or not. And what do we mean by balanced? So we have two conditions for that. So the first condition is that there should be no unmatched brackets. This is very simple, that there should be a closing bracket corresponding to every opening bracket, and there should be no unmatched bracket, like they should exist in pairs, right? And the another one is that in between of two matched brackets there should be matched brackets only, and there should be no unpaired brackets or unmatched brackets. Like in this example, if you see ये दो जो square brackets हैं, these both square brackets, let me just increase the, okay, so these two square brackets के अंदर जो एक अनमैच्ड ब्रैकेट है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सो द ब्रैकेट्स शुड ऑलवेज बी बैलेंस. सो लेट मी गो हियर. So see this example. So here every matched bracket के अंदर भी matched bracket ही है. So that is why we can say that this is balanced. Similarly यहाँ पे we can say that ये balanced नहीं है, because if you see ये दो bracket, अब देखो ये square bracket, so इसके अंदर एक unmatched bracket है. So this is not balanced. You pick any two brackets, say this two. So this there is one unmatched bracket. If you say ये दो curly braces तुम लो, तो उसके अंदर जो है वो unmatched है. So that means that कि यहाँ पे जैसे statement में लिखा हुआ है, the subset of brackets enclosed within the confines of a matched pair of brackets is also a matched pair. So मतलब अगर दो bracket जो matched pair के अंदर हैं should also be matched pair, right? So ये problem stack का है. Now had you not known that this is a stack problem, would you be able to reach to the conclusion that this was a stack problem? So हमें बता दिया जाता है कि stack है तो हम फटाफट कर लेते हैं, but you should be able to think. अगर आपको नहीं भी बोला जाए कि ये stack से करना है, आप समझ पाओ कि ये stack का problem है. कैसे? So think of it in this way, that at any given point of time you're only concerned about the topmost element. That means अगर सबसे ऊपर वाला element ही matched नहीं है, तो फिर उसके बाद क्या है क्या नहीं doesn't matter, because आपका एक pair तो matched नहीं है, right? So at any point when you are in this when you are seeing the brackets, the last opening bracket that you have seen, you should be able to see the closing bracket corresponding to that only, right? अगर जैसे यहाँ पे आपने ये वाला bracket देखा opening, and then you see that there is one closing bracket which is not corresponding to this opening bracket, that means that this is unmatched. So आप किसी भी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए सबसे ऊपर वाले के बारे में ही सोच रहे हो, एंड व्हेन यू गेट अ मैच्ड पेयर यू जस्ट रिमूव दैट फ्रॉम योर व्यू. अगर आपने ये वाला सपोज आप प्रोसेस कर रहे हो, एंड व्हेन यू सी टू मैच्ड पेयर यू जस्ट रिमूव दैट, बिकॉज अब आपको इस पेयर की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यू हैव टू सी कि बाकी एलिमेंट्स स्टैक के बैलेंस्ड है कि नहीं है, right? So that is how you think that okay, this is a stack problem. So let's just go to our IDE and code this solution very quickly. Okay, so I've written the main function for this problem. I have taken a string and I'm passing it to a function called isBalance, which is going to return, tell me that this string is balanced or not. So this is going to return a Boolean value, and the name of this is balanced, and it takes argument of type string. Fine. Now as we already know that we need to use a stack for this, so the stack will be of type character, because at point of time we are going to push one character, एक bracket push करेंगे हम लोग. Let's name it st. So what do we want to do now is we want to process each and every element of my string, right? हर index पे जो भी है, हर bracket को हमको process करना है. So we are writing a for loop for that. Now what we are going to do is let's just store this character in one variable, because बार बार हमें s of I करके refer करना पड़ेगा. So it's better कि हम निकाल लें. Now first thing is वेरी सिंपल. अगर हमारा ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट है तब तो हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं, वी डोंट हैव टू चेक फॉर एनीथिंग. सो वी विल डायरेक्टली जस्ट पुश इट इनटू द स्टैक. दैट मीन्स हम लोग बस अभी स्कैन कर रहे हैं, वी आर सीइंग सारे ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट्स. सॉरी. So we are directly going to do push operation with this with this character. Now interesting is this else. So what we are going to do here is we are going to check if जो हमारा character that we are seeing right now, if that is a closing bracket, then जो हमारा corresponding top है वो that should be equal to the corresponding opening bracket. Okay, instead of again and again calling this function, let's just store it in a variable here. Let's just call it character top, st top, right? So we can just use this thing here. Fine. Okay, so if this is the case, we pop it out. Because why are we popping it out? Because if it is a matched pair, we don't need this pair anymore. So हम इसको directly बस pop out कर सकते हैं so that we can scan आगे की चीज़ें. So if it's a curly braces, तो उसके corresponding होना चाहिए. And similar is the case with the square brackets. ठीक है, तो उसके corresponding का ही होना चाहिए. We just pop it out. Fine. Now what is कोई भी मेरा मैच नहीं कर रहा है तो वी रिटर्न फॉल्स सिंपली, क्योंकि अगर एक भी अनमैच्ड है so that means my parenthesis का string is not balanced and we can safely return false from here. Now when this entire loop is done, we are done with the processing of the entire string. What we need to check is if my stack is empty or not. Why are we checking this? ये check करने का मतलब ये है कि मेरे स्टैक के सारे ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट से कोरिस्पॉन्डिंग मुझे क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट्स मिल गए हैं. इफ माई स्टैक इज एम्प्टी दैट मीन्स इट्स बैलेंस. अगर वो एम्प्टी नहीं है मतलब कोई ना कोई ऐसा ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट था जिसके अगेंस्ट मेरे को क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट नहीं मिला. सो दैट इज वाई दिस विल रिटर्न फॉल्स इन केस दिस st.empty returns false. Let's just run this code and see. So I've already passed this string of brackets and this should return me true because this is balanced. So this returns me 1, which is corresponding to true. Let's just try a negative case here. Say this. So this is not balanced. This gives me 0. So it is not going to process further this. Although this is not, this is unmatched. It doesn't have any corresponding closing bracket. But this is not going to check because इसके corresponding, इसके right पे जो closing bracket है वो इसके type का नहीं है. So this balance parenthesis problem is a very classic problem और stacks implementation के time पे ये problem काफ़ी coding questions में भी पूछ लेते हैं. So I hope you understood the concept and I hope कि you're learning how to think about a problem rather than just memorizing all the steps. Also, please do let me know in the comment section below if you like these videos. Believe me, even 1 or 2 comments that you put on my video saying that you like the explanation and it was helpful, it really motivates me to make more such videos. So leave in the comments below if you like it. Also, if you have any suggestions for me, then feel free to put that also in the comment section below. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye.